Hey guys, thanks for watching again today. It's Kona 2 Max. I want to show you just a woodworking video. This is actually a display case or original design by me and built by me for a DVD case. But I want to show you what a little bit of the details, and maybe I'll start doing some woodshop videos. But as you can tell, it's pretty big. Just hung this today. As you can tell, there's a couple little cleanup spots we gotta do, but that's to be expected. But I made this in high school, believe it or not. Got two magnets I've put in here to hold the door. As you can see, my original intention was indeed a DVD case and shelf, so it'll actually hold quite a bit of DVDs, which are pretty light. Haven't really put much in here yet. And I got glass. So this is a high school piece, believe it or not, but I really do like it. I look forward to maybe get back into woodworking a little bit. I put some cedar. This is not a woodworking video, so I can adjust the shelves, etc. Put holes throughout. So got good storage, but please ask me any questions about it. Hopefully I'll post a couple more videos about some woodworking. But thanks for watching, everybody. This is Mike Rose at Kona 2 Max.